Hi guys, this is one of the other kayaks that we have. It's an ocean kayak model and it's a Malibu 2. It's approximately about 13 feet long, and these ports, I just recently put them in. You can see the cutouts here, and there's another one up here in the front. So I put two of those in. I was actually going to do this one, but I'm not sure yet. I may put a smaller port in there, maybe a 6-inch deck port, but I'm not sure. But this is one of the better ones that we have. And underneath it is the Envoy, and that's a lifetime kayak. And that one's about 11 feet, and you can see it's a little shorter. I did put these on, and again, that's to hold the paddles. It's a little easier. It does come with these grips in the middle, so it's easier to portage, to move around. All right. When I get this on the car, I'll definitely give you guys a little bit of a video so you can see it too. But it is a Malibu 2, and it is an ocean kayak. This is our other lifetime kayak. I have this one outside because it's pretty long. It's about 13 feet, maybe a little bit more. And this one does have all the lights and everything installed on it. You can actually go out at night, as you can see right there. That's one of the spotlights. And it does have the running lights, as you can see, on both sides. It does have interior lights also, and this is actually one of the cables for the battery itself. I gotta have it locked up because I don't want anybody to borrow it right now. So this is the first one you see in the video.
Right here next to you.